In this session, I am going to discuss transformation of roots. Let me give you one problem. Try to do it. Solve x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. What are the methods you can use it? Formula method or completing the square method or factorization method, your wish. You have to find out x values, their roots. Definitely their roots are already we solved. So many times you solved it. Guess it, what are the roots? No need to guess, directly you have known, I think. That roots are 2, 3. Now my question is, you have to find the quadratic equation whose roots are greater than by 2 of these roots. Means you have to find the quadratic equation whose roots are 2 plus 2 comma 3 plus 2. Means the given equation roots are increased by 2. Then what is the quadratic equation? Tell me. Yes, easily you can say, I think, because here roots are 4 comma 3 plus 2, 5. So your equation is, when roots are given, your quadratic equation is, yes, x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0. So what is sum of the roots? 5 plus 4, 9x plus, what is the product of the roots? 5 4s are 20 equal to 0. What is the comparison between these two equations? It is the given equation whose roots are 2 comma 3, and this is our required equation. This equation we got it after transform the roots. This 2 is transformed, 2 plus 2, 4. This root is transformed by 2, 3 plus 2, 5. So here roots are transformed from 2 comma 3 to 4 comma 5 by increasing a fixed value 2. Next, one more question. Whose roots are diminished by 3? Diminished is nothing but a smaller than these two roots by 3. Diminished by 3 is nothing but a, tell me what are the roots? 2 minus 3 comma 3 minus 3. Now I am asking you, you have to find the quadratic equation whose roots are diminished by 3 of the original roots, given equation roots. అంటే ఏం చేస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ, ఈ రూట్స్ను కూడా ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ చేసేస్తున్నాం. ఎంత? వి డిమినిష్డ్ 3. సో 2 minus 3 how much? -1. 3 minus 3 how much? 0. So your equation is x square minus sum of the roots, -1 plus 0, -1 sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots, -1 into 0, 0 equal to 0. So your equation is x square plus x equal to 0. Here these roots are transformed to -1 comma 0. Then this equation be changed as like this, x square plus x equal to 0. Now our target is, we are finding the quadratic equation, then the given roots are transformed to some other roots, that is maybe increased by 2 or diminished or decreased by 3. Suppose one more problem. It is our original equation and original roots 2 comma 3. No. Now I am asking you quadratic equation whose roots are 5 times of the given roots. Whose roots are 5 times of the given roots is nothing but a x equal to 5 into 3. What do you get? 10 comma 5 3s are 15. Now your quadratic equation is x square minus sum of the roots 10 plus 15, 25 into x plus product of the roots 150 is equal to 0. So this is a equation when the given roots transform to 10 comma 15. Fantastic. In fact, it is the simple standard equation. That's why we did like that, and you got the answer. Sometimes given complex quadratic equations. Then same procedure you have to do it for the equation x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0. దానికి చేయండి, అప్పుడు తెలుస్తుంది మీకు. x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0. Everyone must do it. ఓకేనా? ఏం చేయాలి? ఈక్వేషన్ రూట్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి. అండ్ అగైన్ సేమ్ increased by 2, diminished by 3 and 5 times of the given roots. You have to do 3 equations. Observe the time taken by it. Okay, so one more method I am discussing, that's why which is the better method, you can use it and do it. Okay, it is a simple common sense method. Okay na? Here you got a simple roots, that's why these equations are dead easy, very easy. Now observe na here method 2. So your original equation is denoted by, suppose f of x equal to 0. Here f of x equal to 0 is nothing but a x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. This is our equation. Suppose that equation only you take it, that is denoted by fx equal to 0. Okay, x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. What are the roots of this? Roots of this are definitely alpha comma beta. Suppose you take it alpha beta values, you know, because here your alpha value is 2 and your beta value is 3. You have known well. Now my question is, find the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha plus 2 comma beta plus 2. Means roots are increased by 2. So this we have to find out it. In fact, roots are nothing but x values only, no? That x values satisfy this equation. That x value, ఆ x values ఏమవుతాయి? ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తాయి. వాట్ ఆర్ ద x ఈక్వల్ టు ఆల్ఫా, x ఈక్వల్ టు బీటా, దీస్ ఆర్ ద రూట్స్ ఓన్లీ, నో? x ఈక్వల్ టు ఆల్ఫా వాల్యూ మనకు తెలిస్తే ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయొచ్చా మనం? సో కాబట్టి ఏం చేద్దామంటే, యూ హ్యావ్ టు గెట్ ఏ ఈక్వేషన్ whose roots are alpha plus 2 comma beta plus 2, no? So then what we have to do it? It is, let it be x. X is equal to alpha plus 2, because it is also one solution of required equation only, no? So kabatti x equal to alpha plus 2, you take it plus 2 transpose right side, you get it x minus 2 equal to alpha. So entire equation we transformed from f of x equal to 0 to f of x minus 2 equal to 0. So here what is alpha value? X minus 2. అంటే ఏం చేయాలి చెప్పండి? ఆల్ఫా కామా బీటా రూట్స్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఈక్వేషనే కదా. వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఆల్ఫా వాల్యూ? x minus 2 only, no? So now substitute x minus 2 in place of x. So x minus 2 whole square minus 5 of x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Now expand it, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square minus 5x minus minus plus 10 plus 6 equal to 0. Here x 2 2. So x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 5x plus 16 equal to 0. So x square minus 9x plus 20 equal to 0. Fantastic. Got it or not? This is one more procedure. Excellent procedure it is. డౌట్ రావచ్చు, సార్ ఈ మెథడే కష్టంగా ఉంది సార్, ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ టూ డిఫికల్టీ దాన్ దిస్ మెథడ్. ఎస్, for this problem it is only difficulty than this, because here you got a simple roots. If you are getting a complex roots, difficulty roots, then this method is a very best method. Okay, fantastic. Second problem, how can we do it? Second problem, here increased by 2 is nothing but alpha plus 2 comma beta plus 2. Now your second problem is, what do we get? Alpha minus 3 comma beta minus 3. We have to find the equation whose roots are alpha minus 3 comma beta minus 3. Your alpha comma beta are the roots of this original equation. Now you have to find the quadratic equation whose roots are diminished by 3 from this. Okay, so then what we have to substitute in it, tell me? Simply x is equal to alpha minus 3. From this what we get? Alpha value x plus 3. Now you substitute in this equation x plus 3 in place of x, definitely you will get it. So simplify it. You simplify it, definitely you will get x square plus x equal to 0. And again, third problem what we have to substitute. Third problem what we have to substitute. See, this is your problem. 5 times is nothing but a third problem. Your roots. Find the quadratic equation whose roots are 5 alpha comma 5 beta. Then what we have to do it? Observe. Yes, definitely you take it as a 5 alpha is equal to x. From this alpha equal to x by 5. Now substitute in this equation in place of x, you substitute x by 5, you will get it x by 5 whole square minus 5 of x by 5 plus 6 equal to 0. Substitute in this equation, then definitely you will get it x square minus 25x plus 150 equal to 0. So this concept we called as what is it? Yes, this is a transformation of roots of the equation.